This is a cheaper alternative to a phone holder for my wheelchair to escape the typical disability tax. Disability tax is where a product typically becomes more expensive for something that is designed for disabled people compared to a similar product made for able-bodied folks. I never really record footage of my trips anywhere due to not being able to hold my phone or camera whilst pushing my wheelchair. So I wanted to try find a product on the market that I could use to attach my phone to my wheelchair, and I was greeted by things costing £99, whereas bike phone holders can be bought for as little as £13.99. That's what I mean by disability tax. So I thought, what were the main features I would need if I was to create something of my own? These were some sort of method to clamp the adaptation to my wheelchair, it being flexible so I can position my phone how I want, and then a method to attach my phone to said adaptation. I discovered this magic arm on Amazon, which has both the flexible aspect I was looking for and a clamp that I could attach to the magic arm using one of the 1/4 inch threads and then clamp to my wheelchair. All I needed now was something to attach my phone to it with, and I opted for this MagSafe phone holder, which I could screw onto the other 1/4 inch thread on the magic arm. The magic arm cost £22 and the MagSafe mount cost £18. But I wanted something I can independently attach my phone to, but you can buy cheaper phone clamps for as little as £7. But how well does this handle? I'll let you be the judge based on my previous content I made about my trip to Edinburgh, which I recorded all using this device. Plus the fact it meant I saved a whopping £50. I'll put all the links in the comments as to where I got everything if you want to create a cheaper alternative like this.